Imagine powering the world's leading technologies, from aerospace to startups, with a single set of digital tools. At its core, that's what Amazon Web Services, or AWS, brings to the table. AWS is a cloud computing powerhouse that transforms how we store, process, and innovate with data. AWS redefined the possibilities of the internet, creating a flexible, scalable platform that can handle anything from a blogger's website to the data needs of Fortune 500 companies. What makes AWS so revolutionary? First, its unmatched scalability means your resources can grow or shrink instantly, matching demand without missing a beat. Second, AWS offers a vast menu of services. Think computing power, storage, machine learning, security, and analytics, all accessible globally with just a few clicks. Whether you're building a cutting-edge app or hosting big data pipelines, AWS has the tools you need. The real magic is in its relentless innovation. AWS invests heavily in new technologies, constantly evolving with artificial intelligence, serverless computing, and highly secure systems. That drive keeps businesses ahead of the curve, empowering developers and leaders to reimagine entire industries. With pay-as-you-go pricing, companies of any size can experiment, adapt, and grow without massive upfront investments. In the digital era, AWS is more than just a cloud provider. It's the backbone of modern business, offering flexibility and resilience so ambitious ideas can become global realities.